50 million naira. Yeah, if you more yonder ikewe. If you take a risk in down. You know I love you so much. I love you. I want you to be a better man. I want you to have a good life. You only establish you.
Thank you very much. Who is it?
Yeah, you know what? You're going to pass sole egwe in the next few hours or agwewe. But you're going to promise me one thing. Yeah, what promise in a way will say me you're going to be there for me. You will not break my heart. Really? I love you. I love you. Okay, you have the address you were by your phone number. My agent will bring it for you.
Okay.
And promise me, don't disclose this to anybody. And discuss it with anybody. You promise. Oh, baby, you know what? What promise me when you break your heart? I know. That's why I love you. Don't worry. In the next few hours, 15 million naira will be in your possession. Okay, don't worry. Even if you just let me know. I'll meet you up there. We'll plan something. You know how I want to invest in your life. All right, baby. I love you. I love you.
Yvonne. Guess what?
Come on, man.
Chizzy is sending me the sum of 15 million naira.
Jesus! Just like that?
Baby, just like
it's when it gets again, I am go big.
like you say, obviously it all.
Jesus! We don't hammer. 15 million.
You are melting then now.
That is step one. Nothing away. Same guy. You don't buy it. Do you trust me? If you do, you not buy it.
Okay.
You have to trust me with whatever we are doing. Yeah, me. You not buy it. So after that, I'll tell you what next. Yeah, see. Now you're calling wrong person.
As we are talking, she's sending somebody to bring the money. We money in the account because era IT trace. So the money is coming in.
15 million.
15 million naira.
Bros, we don't have man. Bros, why is she sir?
Oh, we need to die. You understand? We are the account banner. Anything to do trace. Man, got any complications? So, already you have to die.
Why go banner?
And what you gonna have a say now? Every time.
But
we can have that way. I remember.
15 million.
15 million naira. Are you for real?
So, in 10 minutes time, remind me so that I know what to do.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh.
Jesus!
What is this?
Let me see. I don't like this thing. Remember in the next 10 minutes, you should remind me. You have a record I make.
Baby, I'm sorry.
Just look at this. Almost 35 minutes.
Oh my God, baby, now.
Would you push me out or remind me?
Boy, you know
there's always time for everything.
Oh my God, now. You stay too long.
I don't like it.
I'm sorry.
Don't touch me. This is one thing I've been teaching you. There's time for business, there's time for pleasure. I think the number or end with 77.
I'm sorry.
You pick your cup.
Hello.
Hello? Ken again.
Yes, this is Ken.
Sir, this is the Korean man.
Yes, the pastor, yes.
But what do the police in Yamu there? What is going to happen? Search. Search. Search and settle. So I think I'm the goose. I have to let you know. I mean, why the sender, I don't need to go bother the person, but the one receiving it, and I okay, me, I like to call you. What do I do? Should I send it back or I should give them the goods so that I can come and claim it? I don't know. The police are with me.
Police?
Police? Oh.
My company that carry this courier service, we are always doing the legitimate. Young women know they don't want to care about that one. Okay,
Okay. Tamia, near the book and pass me.
Okay, no problem. Whatever you want to do it fast. Because I don't want anything to implicate my company with the courier. No, the agent. Okay, no problem. Okay, I will also tell them. Officer, I'm gonna wait now.
Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Let me call Chizzy, okay?
Shh. Compose yourself. The next 2-3 minutes I'll call you.
Police,
A pass on me expect down.
Where?
The guy no hammer the way police what the
The police.
I know the way pass on. When they get again now.
Say get call.
I do for a living.
Oh my God, it's a lie.
Pick up.
Come on.
Mama.
Let me call him.
Are you serious?
Very well. Everything you have gotten is what you put there. Not to go sort it out. After that, you
Hello, sugar.
Hello?
So, have you seen the money? I said, can you hear
Again, I'm going to pass over. What police is doing? And they're even trying to open the parcel.
Police die. What for? That money belongs to my father. He risking giving her money. Do you want my dad to kill me?
You have to do something very fast.
I should bring money? For what? Baby, come on. My love, come on. I don't have any money. I don't have any other money. Just try and sort it out.
Come on now.
You know what? Baby, come on. I cannot involve myself in anything like this. My dad is too popular. I'm a popular girl. He can't do that. Oh, come on now. Baby, do this now. That money is for you.
I know. I know you don't want to involve yourself, but at least, where the guy now?
1 year ago now, yeah, you know what? Just pay anything to them. Yeah, you reback. Welcome. I'm going to spend. I will even tell you how much I'm giving to you. That money is for you and I. Yeah, establish you where. Just settle it. Tomorrow you are me away with the money. I'll tell you how much is going to be your share there.
Yes. Okay. Let me call them back. Remember where the police is going? How far?
Yeah, baby. That's what I'm saying. Just sort yourself out. Okay, my love. All right, darling.
All right.
Walk.
Where he ran on? Omo no show your face.
Why I call the guy now? No more now.
Omo no you for big bill. Maybe in the police and he gets in the truck one kind.
Why you wearing now?
Let me go.
Hey, 50 million for Lord. More than lose a shot. Remember where?
Hey. My.
It's okay.
Hey.
I'll call you.
Hey.
What can I do? Let's pay the business call now. I'll call you away.
Yes.
Yeah, hello.
Hello, sir.
Okay, beautiful. And before any of the policeman there.
Okay, name the police officer.
Pass the phone to any of them.
Hello.
Officer. Yeah, good afternoon.
Who am I on to?
Yes, the parcel in your possession is my parcel. That guy is bringing it to me. So, even Uruguay, there are just a few things in use. They're my personal belongings.
Wait. You don't need to beg me. We are taking this parcel to our headquarters. What's around to claim,
Police station. No, officer. We can settle this thing amicably. I can't come to the station to take this parcel now.
No, we don't take bribe. What we are saying is that it should be a proof. We receipt now pay. If you don't get that, we are going to open it.
Officer, no. You don't have to open it. We don't have to open it. We can just settle this thing amicably. We don't kill the public or they kill the station.
When I care, and then we know what to do. We settle. Hold on. Go me my superior. You are so lucky. Where you bring 200,000 naira.
Officer, no. Where would I get such money? Even though we must say, I must say 200,000 we Munuji now. I must say 100,000 now.
Yeah. Okay. Since Makwe, officer, shall we? Get one and I'm the boy.
Okay, sir. Okay. I wouldn't want this to go to the station. Meanwhile, I will give you 150,000 naira.
Where? 150.
Lahore. I wish you had you working in a person. If you don't buy way, if you know where they say 100,000 in 150 now. Lao.
No, they don't know. So let me just help you. Let me beg my account. Okay, how do I get the money now? Hire me the money.
Okay, beautiful. Send the account number to this phone. Now.
My account number. Through this your Korean man. I send it the account number so you pay for it. Once you pay, we allow you to go.
All right. Thank you very much. What send it now? Send it to this particular number we are calling now. No, I will mobile transfer. No. Okay, where's it? Lao Babana. It's already few minutes to 3. But before 3, Lao. Okay.
Korean man, don't move for you.
So cool. When we come down Sunday, 150 on my.
When you want to pass me below.
Yeah, no, 15 million, not below.
I don't like such unnecessary stress. I would have loved to involve this girl, but he get rano. And now when you have seen it on the level, and you police and whatever now.
Now you're going now.
Oh my God! You know what? Let's just have a quick.
You are still not learning. What is wrong with you? No matter how this time is for business. Don't worry. I like you. I your plan. But for now, let me say my account number.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, fine. So, Elia Yahweh.
I love you. Smarty.
Already.
Okay, the message.
Thank God. Total we send the money.
Oh, beautiful. The same bank in my wife.
So I said the transfer.
I need the urgently in a network. Just work. 150,000. Okay, you know.
Say. Come there while you said I'm here.
I don't want to worry. You go near say. You go to Kawaze police now. Ikawari
eh. No, I'm okay.
They not want you go na.
Oh my, I don't react. So why am I in worry?
Lao, Samime.
Calm down with them, one.
What kind of problem is this?
Oh my God. Bad guy.
Galati carry na car.
What's that? Stop.
Don't go. You are going to my gearbox. Don't enter my gearbox room. Not like.
What?
Look at check the message by yourself now. Baby,
you know what? Before anything, what kind of fire there? I don't wanna. No excuse, just come right here. Come and have this first, baby. Baby, come. What's up, man? Hey, Sonny, man, I don't want to hear that bullshit, okay? Oh my God!
Again, I'm with you. Huh? Do what, woman? Huh? What nonsense is this now? What nonsense is this? What nonsense is this? Eh? 8 p.m. It's around 3. Huh? Et puis, moi, fou, il faut chier, elle est moi, fou. You are paying a policeman. If we are not for you.
No, I won't. Let me try the number. I drew a boy's over here.
Do we know what you watch more than 30 times? And my phone. You are paying a policeman account. Again, I'm my phone. It is my phone. What's this nonsense now? I'm going to make that explain to me, but wait 10 minutes. Yes, my name.
Baby, I have countless missed calls here.
Okay, so well, which my mom flight mode since so you can't reach me. I got to like
so what am I gonna do?
Okay, it's time.
Come make me in your name now.
You call me back. What you need to do now? Call her. Knowing where don't need the money softly. Time I go to have years you were tired, then you just woke up and saw some missed calls on your phone. You understand? By the time like how we go by going, when you first believe use hash tone. Then we can push yes a second billion all the other. A body where we're gonna provide another amount of money. First thing tomorrow morning when you are there, when I go away, you involve your father. So you made the call right now.
Okay then. Let's do this.
Wait. Your first phone, let it be soft. By the time you discover where a mommy and you like that phone now,
Alright, let's go.
Hello, Chizzy.
Hello, sugar. How are you, my love?
And what's up? Me what you were seeing my phone?
Oh, you've been calling me. I'm sorry, my love. Anyway, I was sleeping. I'm sorry. So tell me. Yeah, you made the money.
Hey, mommy, any passo. In fact, I'll be calling the guy on my phone. Every hour for us to work. Up to this moment, we're not on my phone.
Excuse me? What are you saying?
I pay some of 150,000 naira. I pay to that man's account, that policeman. Immediately pay for you as one calling Buena. Or make my phone, man.
Hey, you listen to me. Don't even play that prank with me. Don't! What's the meaning of that?
She's not going to now. Mommy, boy, and mommy, nothing.
So what? When Umami my 15 million naira? What? Listen to me. I gave you that money based on trust and the love I have for you. I'm gonna tell you where. See, in here where you will not believe your eyes. You will not believe it because I'm gonna involve my father.
You want to involve your father? But the mommy go now.
You want to now? Hey.
Listen to me and listen good. If you've been doing this before, you better stop it. Don't try it with me. First thing tomorrow morning, I'm going to be at your place. And God help you, mommy, come and hear me. If you try it, I'm going to so call my father, and my father will deal with you. What is wrong with you? Idiot.
Hello?
Aviko.
This is what I'm doing. make sure you go keep it. If not, you involve everybody.
Hey!
You go to mommy.
Why won't I? 15 million. Hey!
This is bullshit. This is problem. Problem. Get it? Oh
my God.
Yeah. Because we may be oil looker, and imagine we maybe you got to pay $150 with dollar euro now. I would have been a millionaire by now with your own share of the money. Or you say, man, no, what do I do for a living? I will tell them what I do is soft work.
Baby?
First thing tomorrow morning, I will give you your own share of the money.
I love this game. You are loving game now. Baby, you know what? I have to be on my way.
What can I?
Yeah, I want to go home.
But I told you now where there's a particular format in your mouth. So how are you living?
Oh, baby, not today. I mean, we use the Megbini. I'm tired. I need some rest.
You need some rest.
Because you have you one and you're gonna use me all through the night.
Well, suit yourself, but tomorrow morning I will give you your share.
Of course,
don't
the guy
forget.
is shaking already.
You should be the one to knock at the gate tomorrow.
Oh, baby, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show him madness.
Ain't no big guy like you.
Joe, my choice is there, Joe.
You see, switch it off.
What are you saying? What are you saying? Please, can I just have my 15 million naira? Can I have my money in peace?
Chizzy, calm down. Up till now, Igoni, Imamio, I didn't see any money. I didn't see the guy. Nothing. I'll never repeat kind.
What I'm saying now, what busted brain? It's just busting my head. I mean, what am I? Listen to me. Don't do that bullshit with me because you know why? This one send the parcel mama through that company. Do you understand me? Why are you always different? Why do you want to dupe me? Why do you want to betray the love I have for you? You know what? I gave you that money based on love, based on emotions, trust. I loved you. Is it because I came here and just made love to you the first time I met you? That's love. I gave you 15 million naira, my father's money, and you are here telling me, Mommy, go. How can you say that? Please, Lawo, I don't want to listen to this bullshit. Just go in there and give me my damn 15 million naira. That's all.
Chizzy, as you can see, Igoni, I can't dupe you now. Igoni, Mamio, you met you I didn't see that money. That money, the guy, as in, I didn't see the guy, I didn't see the money.
Believe him, the guy did not bring the money.
What did you just say? You just betrayed me? I asked you not to tell anyone about the money, and you told her? But I want you not to disclose that with anybody. Why did you tell your sister? Oh, am I?
Now, yeah, you did warn me, but I can we have been continuing her. And moreover, she didn't say I got here. Ultimately, betrayed me.
Oh, so I don't know where all these are coming from. You know what? If you don't give me my money right now, I swear to God, I will involve my father. And you know what that means. And I mean, I see where Bolo, see where they don't talk. And you know what that means.
Chizzy.
No, Mama going to get
you go calm down.
Believe him, the guy did not bring the money.
I've told you, and that's fine.
More you are, that you are, but I know where 30 woody in Washington, what I make one of these. When I where he have a Makaku, you might be able to Raku, but I met you up. Oh, there I go. Oh, there I go. I will go. I don't tell what I'm no put money. The more I put money, I owe Davio. Here we are. And I remember I aware. You come again, Yagu, and Milbo. When I always am to Walla, then very tell me then why are we? That's what I know where. Oh, Monty, I have bought a man with a pipe, no, my way, am I? What were you? You know, and my wacky will be.
òkú arágbó ó lè lọ́rùn ọkọ̀ èèyàn lọ́dọ̀ ọmọ àpá wọn pàtàkì yáwó ọmọ ìyá sì rí owó ìwé níyàwó ti lọ rí arágbó ọmọ ìyàwó ìwọ̀n pa ọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀mọ́ níyàwó ti lọ máa wọ́n ní wọ́n wọ ẹ̀wọ̀ owó ẹ̀wọ̀sà òpẹ́wẹ̀ kí òpẹ́wẹ̀ kí wàá rí owó wà ó ti gbélé mọ́ ẹ̀yìn ìwẹ̀wẹ̀ ìpínlẹ̀ òun ẹ̀kọ́ yà á tó ní à ìdó náà ló kó yàwó ẹ̀wọ̀n ní mẹkáníkì ẹ̀ lè lérí àpò tó ti mọ́tò don't mind don't bother yourself ìdó náà lọ́wọ́ àáká ìdó alábọ̀ náà ẹ̀ lè àìtẹ́gẹ́ mẹkáníkì ẹ̀rọ ìwẹ̀wọ̀ ìdó náà alábọ̀ náà àìtẹ́gẹ́ tẹ́ lọ́rí.
Nabulele ìkíyàndà ọtí fáwọn ọmọ.
wọ́n yà sá.
òwe yọrẹ náà mọ̀ ọmọ ní sàgọ̀sọ̀gọ̀ náà.
ẹ wọ́n ti lọ.
náà yà wẹ́ ti lọ.
ẹ ti lọ ìwọ náà wẹ́ ti lọ rìn má kà ti lọ.
òkè náà wẹ́ ti lọ rìn. àwọ̀ ànyàmọ́.
ìyó de ka.
adùn àti mẹ́ iye ti lọ rìn. mẹ́ àwọ̀ ẹ ọ́ bí mẹ́ adùn àti mẹ́ iye ti lọ rìn.
ta ẹ̀mí ni wà pọ́ọ̀sì náà yàm blọ́ pọ́ọ̀lẹ̀ ẹ̀mí wà.
wáyé ló pọ̀.
mẹ pọ́ọ̀ wẹ́ sísẹ̀ sí ẹ̀ mamu wà ní.
Mom, please. Like seriously, this is getting out of hand. And I'm really pissed off right now. Are you really sure that this man here is my biological father? Like my real dad? Is he?
Yeah, no.
I don't think so.
No,
Mom, I'm not here Ravena. Well, they're Ravena. Oh, you can know business in you. Or you can know deal in you. Listen, man, I'm into computer. I press buttons. Don't you ever call me for this kind of a stupid meeting again. Mom, I'm out of here.
Rosa, mo le le.
Wa, na fe ri o. Fa boy yen we tan.
Mo ka bo.
Ore mechanic ni ta ba. Mi aya we.
Bo am ko yo ne. When I maneuver agreement in where I love him. You have to show by one thing bad, you that in a mutual agreement. I will go. Leave it to them. No, ever push how much of the family what? Don't follow your last one. Follow your way life. That's all.
My brother. Man, this life here is terrible. Wait. You mean this girl? Oh God. This girl has never met you before.
US. My brother, this word is really funny. You can imagine somebody I never met. I never knew her from Adam.
And Facebook, and then again now. You know, the first time I saw her on Facebook, you needed to see how she looked. You understand me? Big house, big houses, and all of that. In fact, even the Facebook account is still with me here. Senator's doctor. I mean, a multi-billionaire's doctor. And yeah, boy, you know, your profile. I was so shocked.
That is the fake life she's living everywhere. And moreover, we have never been to the US. We came from the UK. Where are the family members staying?
I can't remember when US here now, one now. It was even when Jesus. Wait, I don't really know how to put this whole thing. It might sound funny, but it's quite humanly devastating. Like seriously, I went to buy drugs. I have the drugs in Ghana. I did some peace in the way, you know. And then I was like, "Hey, what's up?" I called her. Oh, Mama Boy, I remember, man. What's her name? Brenda. Never see Brenda Nakina. I called her. I went me and my man to get with me. I'm a prisoner. Brenda now. We maybe measure in April. Now we a man on it. I'm a place. Now to describe before she got to know that her name is not Brenda. That she said her name is Cheesy. In that the both of you have not met before. And every time me, oh, we USA now, that after for some time, you know, she left. She has not been in town for some time. But you was surprised. You want me to go for same thing, Maria. You know, I spent a whole lot of money on her that day. She's my girlfriend.
My brother.
I get a girlfriend. You know, and you just see me. And you don't know what. If I even call her, Maybe I call her. He said she was even telling me I'm with the senator and my mother. I'm in a meeting.
Oh, I'm making fake calls. Senator's daughter, me, commissioner's daughter, president, you know. And do you know that idiot or duped me 150,000 naira?
150,000 naira.
Promising to bring 15 million naira. I'm telling you, my brother. Although when we met, you didn't really care that very day, you know, I make money. But I was just like open up to her. You understand? You know what time I had the real truth about me and my family? Then she wanted to play smart.
This is not good. You know what? I'm gonna make sure I drill that girl.
Of course.
You cannot really make any. I'm gonna make sure I do, and then she's gonna know why I am called Eric.
Do you know where that girl came here to threaten me after I paid the sum of 150,000 naira? Telling me she was going to involve her father, she was going to involve the senator, she's going to involve every other person. I was so scared, my brother. You know, my family, they are not here, my parents, they are not here. That girl was threatening my life. You needed to see the way my younger sister was pleading. Anyway, 15 million naira in my area.
For me to come here and know your house, you should understand that I am going to treat that girl. And she came here to threaten you for the money she never sent.
I'm telling you, Baba. Let me just call her.
But call her done.
Better.
Brenda.
Cheese.
She's not picking.
Mom, what you know?
She's not picking, bro. I'm on my phone.
I know that girl was somewhere. But don't worry. Every day for the thief.
Sure, one day for the owner. One day for the owner.
Where you were me again, I believe where because about being real. They no more. You no more regret me. Oh, we are regular. In our area, they will no matter. On our van, who are not telling me, the day Ricky, my meal with the Maladia. What am I causing your name? I'm not going to get bonny your name.
Are you serious?
To the extent he wants 150,000 what only matter no. One give my go. He marry him. Nigeria. Marry for one name. Big Mary town now my sister. You are making a picture. We make him one. He made to me dread that one.
Hell, I get in with time in one year man. Oh, my Zunzana.
Salubua. What? Sorry, not to What sorry then?
Oh, what's that? I don't know what doing funny. You know what we can we picture again.
Yeah, picture.
What's that? What's that?
He never picture of say where I get our
You. Who did you get you?
We get our music, we are making it. You get our music. No, we bring you once.
Jesus!
What
is a lie.
Why?
I know. What's that?
Okay.
Say the someone never soon.
Oh, no.
Where
He's on it.
What's someone never soon? Jesus.
Again, I
Hey, you're at here. She's your what's here.
He's on it. He's on it. He has to let him go.
Where? She's what's here.
She's oh, you guy,
Again, on your commission.
He's on it. I'm a corner. I joined the or he Mama, he's on it. You don't have to patty yet.
You don't mean
yes. Better over all the commissioner. It's a phone. He's on it. You go with my reaction. I was only a man that Rabba Vettolet in Yamen. They are the Tolufuneji. He's here, Mammy. Again, I am going to be a man. No, I do the donor. I see car. I will not back it. I'm going to I'm not plaster over here. You don't make a hammer. Many make work one. And I make 2,500. Then my work one. You don't make a Sarah Maxi, a sack. Hey, Joe! What do I do? What? they will be. Usually, they will be do. Or maybe they don't want them. Well, what's in me on our cure, boy? I'm telling you. Brother!
Larry.
What's wrong?
Total.
What's wrong?
Is it very cheesy?
Really? Is it where it is here?
Ah, cheesy. What are cheesy?
You don't want it?
But why can't say cheesy? And you enjoy it.
Come on, ha. Obey
Epa, enjoy it, Hana. If you come with my Yashi, better to go to Edaki. I don't be here. Every no beer.
Very kilo go by the that means Emia never put my man, Emma working.
Oh, go where you're there. Well, do we have to go near? Ah, put it.
My worry, I snap you will wear it.
Oh, wow. Do you know where get around 150,000 ramen? Why video? He said you can get her.
And you were here. Well, what's the 150,000?
Where will they go? Oh, wow. The problem is there. Been out, me now. Well, who have a very good. Again, they are doing it. What are you? They are you? They are why I'm picking.
Even when we go out there, see a little yard with bed. Yeah, about the year of
yeah,
Where's my sister?
Yvonne, can you imagine?
Where?
when
So anyway, Jay, you are a beast.
you know what? When Jesus. So
now
you be again now.
Where? Everywhere.
You break video.
Hey, Jay.
You can imagine one of these.
Boy.
Jesus Christ.
I think I'm gonna be there.
Yeah, Epa.
Obviously,
Epa, yeah. Oh, now, a woman, okay? This your daughter is a criminal. She has been taking a lot from us. He always says your king, or commissioner your king. So when I'm there, you understand me? So anyway, Jay, after everything, I know how much I have spent on you. My own and money. Me and one. So in fact, at the room, you know I told you, I'm not cousin. I cousin your time away again. After I took this girl out, I spent my hard-earned money on her. You are a bad guy. Yeah, I think this is your father. I believe this is your father. And this is your mother. And this is your useless brother. I think I saw this guy the other day. You know, I told you I saw this idiot.
Yes.
And it's so weird. You are crazy. You are crazy. Yeah. You are going to pay all of our money. Wait, excuse me. What did you say? What did you tell me your name?
Brenda.
Brenda. You are not a Brenda. You are a blender.
Where again? When I think you're back in the radio. What is that? What are you?
Easy. Yeah, Belinda.
Where are you? Oh no, I can't buy where.
Usually go up one and
I can't buy where. Oh, you're not. Oh, beer. Oh, beer.
I don't know why Brenda can hear you.
Sorry.
Sorry. What? So you said you don't know this guy. Now, who is your father? Where is your father? Where's your father? That one is enough, okay? Yeah, I'm going to get your daughter arrested and there's nothing you can do about it.
No!
Pardon. I came here where Obi-Wana I do not see I go me not do pire or carry you many.
I didn't
naira or way. We don't even 150,000 naira. I came here with police do when up 15 million naira. We give me 150,000 naira. we near 15 million. Ni said they 150,000 guineas. On a dupe me 150,000.
Okay, I'm never 1 year.
15 million naira. You understand the I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna hide now. Oh, hide back be one. Oh, hide go good.
I don't have much to say, but I want to let you know that police officers are on the way.
You want to buy 50 million? 150.
What do you mean by that? Where supposed to be wearing? Oh, I'm not kekena. Oh, jidana.
What the more matter?
Pardon, Mosa. La when I went, I go in there.
Yeah, pick your way. There's nothing else. I'm going to make sure you pay doing for it. For everything that you have to. Hey, mother, stop it. This is not your mother. What a pa. When I be a woman, only cars a mother, and you come to us and say you are the daughter, just look at it. So, only car always has a mother. Then you come here and deceive us. Meanwhile, please, but why no man? This earring. Stand up, pick those things.
Look, can I sit?
Hey, no. Pick those things.
Get it.
Hey, my mom.
Now, everything. Collect everything from her. No, get it.
Oh my God, my God.
Hey. You, where's my money? Hey.
People, you want to feel my nose? Oh my God.
Will you stop that?
I'm sorry.
Do you want to see my hunger?
No.
You want to see my hunger?
No.
I will eat you raw.
Hey.
But before I do that, I'm going to make sure you raw in salt. You are an idiot. So silly.
I'm gonna pay you.
Keep quiet. Why don't you go?
I have some money inside my room. All I want you to do right now, just relax. Why go?
Relax with who?
You make way.
Do you think I'm here to play?
No.
Do you think I'm here to play?
What I mean, what I actually want you guys to do for me is, I just want to go in there.
Okay, you know what? What are you doing? Where are you? Why not you? I'm not sure.
you.